And that's it. Live, I think. I hope. Alright, let's go. Blue Kirby, John Vito! You guys are fast! Welcome! I just started. Right this second. Well, not the game. Medna! Hello! I can't hear you, but hi. Alright, let me just type one hi. Alright, since Blue Kirby can't hear me. Emily! Hello! I'm gonna continue where I left off. In the last episode of Vloggy's Pokemon, I collected 4 badges. And I got 4 Pokemon. I got some good ones. I've got Charmander, I've got Nidoran, I've got Alakazam, fully evolved and stuff. Thank you, Blue Kirby. Thank you. Let me just, because Blue Kirby can't hear me, so I'm just gonna post something. Like a little winky face. Alright. So, thank you, Emily. So, what's going on? Let me just put the volume down, because it's very loud in my ear. My ears. I've got 2, sorry. Let me put the volume down, it's quite loud. Actually, it's good that I have it loud, because then it makes me go loud on the microphone, so I'm gonna leave it like that. So, where was I? Did I complete this? I forgot. Did I get the Pokemon Flute? I forgot what I did last time. I should get a Pokemon Flute. Yes, I did get it! Nice, we're gonna go get Snorlax! How are you, Midna? This song is death. It's creepy. I like it. It's cute. So, guys, I may need some backseating with this one now, because I forgot. I haven't played this in a very long time. Since 19... Uh-oh. Oh, hello. I don't think we're going back to Kanto, Blue, to be honest with you. I don't think we are. But there was a gym that looks suspiciously like the Vermilion gym, but I still doubt it. So, fight... Ice Beam. I forgot I had Ice Beam. Nice. I can't wait for Ultrasound Ultra Moon. Honestly, I think it's gonna be the same game, more or less. But still, I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm playing it day 1. I think I'm gonna be doing a 12-hour stream when that game comes out. Definitely. I hope I can take the day off. So that's what I'm enjoying about... This is what I'm really enjoying about this... playthrough that I'm doing. I'm playing Pokemon Red. Alright, next month we're gonna be getting Pokemon Silver on the virtual shop. Virtual console, not virtual shop. And so I'm gonna be moving these Pokemon onto the next adventure. And then after this I'm gonna be moving them to the next adventure. And so on and so on. All the way up until Ultra Moon. That's gonna be awesome. I'm looking forward to that. Meowth, that's right! Something's wrong with my voice today. Grow, my Dratini, grow! Pikachu! It looks like Pikachu's pregnant. Ouch, does it hurt? Paralyzed, wow. Are they going to virtualize Gem 4? That's a very good question, John. I don't know. Wait, Gem 4 is it Diamond and Pearl? Is Gem 4... I lost count. Honestly, I lost count. Gem 4 is Diamond and Pearl, yeah? They haven't released any Virtual Console games from the DS, I think, yet. Should I take these guys on? Item, hold on. Do I have a Paradise Heal? Because I really don't feel like dealing with the whole thing. No. Is Snorlax this way? I keep forgetting. Is Snorlax this way? I don't know. I'm gonna put on my bike. Put on my bike. That's a nice way to put it. Bicycle. honestly forgot which way to the Snorlax. I think it's this way. I don't know. I just got a hunch. And I think I'm wrong. Am I wrong? I think I'm wrong. I don't think it's this way. Snoxlux, where are you? This is where Master Roshi is. Yeah, we're in Saladin City. How are you, Shadow? I don't know where you got your username, but it reminds me of Resident Evil. Shadow of former self. Oh, there it is! There it is! There it is. It reminds me of Resident Evil because you find somebody dead. I think it's Kenneth. And when you examine his dead body, it says he become a shadow of his former self. That's where you got it from. Alright, that's fantastic. Alright, let's use the Pokemon Flute. I'm tempted to get Snorlax in my team. But I'm gonna pass. I'm gonna catch him though. Snorlax woke up. Grumpy Rage. It's Kenneth. Exactly, yes. Exactly. Snorlax. Level 30. And I'm paralyzed. Nice. Ice Beam! Nope, doesn't work. Ah, come on, man. Freeze! Freeze! No. Okay, try again. Oh no, this is not good. He's gonna keep resting now. He's gonna give me a hard time, man. He's strong, huh? I would love to add him to my team, but... I wanna freeze him. This is not working out, no. Let's use the strongest Pokemon I have. Oh, look at something! That is a strong headbutt. Wow, he's strong. Assuming he's a he. No! Come on, man! Oh, come on, man! Rip. Well, at least we got Dratini at level 27. Ah, man. So, is it this way now? We're going to Fuchsia, right? This is the way to Fuchsia City. Alright, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna heal. I'm gonna heal and I'll go back. We're going the right way to Fuchsia City, right? I don't know if any of you know, but this is a very old game. So... Gym? I think we have to go up. You know, I was supposed to be playing Uncharted The Lost Legacy this week, but I haven't had a chance to pick it up. My goodness. I should pick it up tomorrow. So much for playing it first. Actually, I could have had the chance to play it first, but... Yeah, bike trail goes there. That's good. That's where I need to go, actually. Fuchsia. Fuchsia. I used to watch the anime in Italian, So they got so many names of the cities wrong because they used to like read them out in Italian, did the names. Can you imagine how they spelled fuchsia? How they said fuchsia in Italian? Fucsia. They used to call it fucsia. La città di Fucsia. Alright, so let's do this. In the meantime, I'm just gonna go ahead and bring up Cerebi.net so I just confirm my sources that I need to go to Fuchsia for my next Pokemon. Grimer! Hold on. There we go. Sorry, I'm looking at the website. My Dratini is getting strong, huh? That's fine. I got other moves, right? Not exactly. Alright, so... Fuchsia. Yeah, that's where I need to go. Fuchsia City. Good. Hey, Levi, hello! You said you wanted to go to Fuchsia. Yes, I know I spelled it wrong. To get a flying... No, not to get a flying Pokemon, no. Not to get a flying Pokemon. I'm gonna keep it a surprise. Today we're gonna catch another Pokemon. You see, this is the aim of my stream. Every time I stream Pokemon, I'm targeting to get a badge and a new Pokemon. Today we're gonna get another badge and another Pokemon for sure. Coughing! Is it still disabled? No, we're good. Fuchsia, that's how you spelled it. Yeah, that's how you spell it, John. Exactly, you got that right. So I need to finish this game by the 22nd of September next month, because then I'm gonna switch over to Pokemon Silver. You can't get to the other 2 stars. Well, I mean, technically I can, because I can simply put these in. I can start a new game, choose Charmander, put it in the Pokemon Bank. Actually, you can't move it back, so no. Well, I actually can trade it because I have 2 copies of the game and 2 DSs, so I can, actually, technically I can. But I want to play it legit, you know? I want to play it legit. I'm meant to have 1 starter, so... You know what I mean? Does that make sense? Let's go. I'm gonna keep training my buddy Dratini. Matchup! So yeah, on the 22nd of September, Pokemon Silver and Gold will be coming out on the eShop! So close! I can do this. Nice! You're strong, Dratini. But no, I don't think you're gonna handle this guy. Hey! V4! I was starting to miss your streams. It's been a while, eh? It's been a while. I had a rough week last week, actually. I had a... You know... Can I stop this bing bong, bing bong, bing bong? No, I can't. I'm gonna switch Pokemon. Yeah, I had a bit of a rough week last week. Ugh. You don't like Abra because you only have 1 attack. Yeah, but until he evolves. Then he evolves and he gets... and then he becomes a good boss, like my Alakazam. So, what was I saying? Yeah, I had a bit of a rough week last week. Man. I don't want to go into it, but... let's try Horn Drill. I can tell you some of the things that happened to me last week, though. I can't tell you everything. I cannot, but... Ah, come on. Oh, unaffected! Oh, okay. Okay. Alright, I tried twice. That's it. Body Slam. Yeah, everything's okay now, yeah. But among the many things that happened to me last week, I got a flat tire. And I took it to the... You know, the tire guys. And they told me it needs to be replaced. That's fine. Okay, we replaced the tire. And the thing is, the flat tire happened to be on a bank holiday here in Malta, so I had to spend the day without a car. And then when I replaced the tire, 2 days later, the other tire, the other front tire, the passenger side. Like, are you kidding me? And it happened to fall on a Sunday this time. Again, no place to fix the tire. So, oh man. So, will Vloggy change Pokemon? Yes, he is. He's gonna go back to Dratini. You know what? I'm gonna go for it. Ice Beam. Yes! Frozen Solid! What are the odds? Hey, Sean! Hello, buddy! How are you? Nice to see you. No, not yet, Nidoran. Right? It's not yet. When? I forgot. When am I supposed to evolve Nidoran? Hold on. Give me a sec, guys. Sorry about this. My voice sounds weird today. I don't know why. It sounds very manly. No, that's not it. Hold on. So we're saying Nidoran. Can we go for the alphabetical Pokédex? Thank you very much. Nidoran male. Which attack am I looking forward to? That's double kick. That's it. Double kick. We get double kick and then we evolve you. You're right, V4. You're right. Alright, let's go heal up. You really believe in that stuff? Come on. You really believe in that stuff? Come on. Come on. I thought you were a smart lady. Bam, bam, ba-dum. Because I don't feel like walking. I'm so lazy, I don't even feel like walking in video games. Your Pokemon. There we go. Dun, 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 dun. So once I get to Fuchsia, I'm gonna be starting my quest to get my next Pokemon. Don't be silly. I know, right? It is silly. Item. Where is it? Bicycle. So before I started playing this game, I actually asked on Twitter, I asked around on Twitter whether people would prefer me to play this game with the actual 8-bit music, or should I just put some other music instead, some remix. But people were like, no, no, keep it legit, keep it retro, so that's what I stuck with. Mankey! Let's keep going, Dratini. What's the move that I need to make Dratini learn before I evolve him? Hold on. Wow, I got crit, I just realized, wow. Hyper Beam 50, okay. That's not nice. No! Oh, come on, another crit. What are the odds? Come on, man. Body slam. Tee! Let's go heal up again. I hate that I have to get off my bike every time I go through here. Why, game? Why? So it's gonna sound stupid, but I can't wait for Pokemon Gold and Silver. I can't wait to stream that. I think second generation is my favorite. I think that's why. Gen 2 is my favorite. And as soon as I move these Pokemon over to Gen 2, they're gonna have a gender. Alright, so... Hello? Hey, you just bumped me. Look at all the tough guys here. The punks. Who wants to fight? Weezing! Wow, strong, strong. Be careful, be careful. Gen 4 is your favorite. I don't mind Gen 4. I like Gen 4 as well. I feel like they started dropping the ball in Pokemon... Oh, come on, really? Come on, game! I think they started dropping the ball in Pokemon Black and White. And Black and White too. V4. Paralyzed, nice. Okay, come on, we're almost there. I'm gonna have to go heal again. Really? Wow, really? Oh, come on! Oh, come on. Overkill. There we go. Gen 6. Which one is Gen 6? Is it... hold on, because I lost track of the gens. I know the first couple, but... Gen 6 is Pokemon... X and Y, is that it? Gen 6? Pam 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 pam. Ah, yeah, there we go. Yeah, X and Y, that's right. I wish they remake Gen 2 with the with the latest engine. It would be fantastic. I loved it when you had a rival that was a jerk. I loved having a jerk rival like Gary and Silver. I love those guys, but now they have to make them your friends. Like, I don't want my rival to be my friend. Hey, you. You can also get Fuchsia from Vermilion using a coaster. Okay. I'm feeling angry. Nah, hungry. Hungry and mean. He's hangry. Hey, Danica! Na 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 na. How are you, Danica? All right, let's go. Ice beam. No, 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 come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. No! Oh, come on! I have to go re-heal again. Re-heal. Nidoran. Can I have Goku and Vegeta's Pokemon? There was a ROM, there was a hack ROM back in my day, I remember playing it. It was called Pokemon Z, I remember that. You playing Tekken? Oh man, I've been meaning to stream Tekken. One of these days I'm gonna stream Tekken. And when I say stream Tekken, not Tekken 6 or Tekken 8 or whatever there is now, Tekken 1 and Tekken 2. That's what I'm wanting to stream. I'm gonna have to go heal again. XY sequels, like what? Z? Pokemon Z? I don't think it's gonna happen though. Look at all the sequels we got in the meantime. We got the Delta, kind of. Omega Ruby and Alpha Sapphire, and then we got like the Delta episode. We got Black and White 2. And now we're getting Ultra Sun and Ultra Moon. Look at all the sequels we're getting. I don't think XY, Z is coming. I don't think Z is coming. V4 knows the Pokemons. I'm not good with earlier gens of the game. I should be, because these were my games back in the day. I remember playing this on the emulator back in my day. I used to play this on an emulator called the No Dollars GB. And the No Dollars GB had a functionality which you could run both games at the same time. Two versions of the game at the same time, 2 copies. And we used to share keyboards, me and my sister, me and my friend. We used to share keyboard, play next to each other on the same keyboard. It was funny. But then we could have battles like that. Tekken 3 Gun, oh yeah. There was a Did You Know Gaming about Gun, I think. It was very interesting how I was gonna say John, how Gun came to be in Tekken. It's interesting. Emerald Platinum aren't really, well, yeah. Greymar! Back in my day, you had Atari. No, back in my, well, no. What we had was like a Nintendo. You see, it wasn't very popular, the NES in Europe, at least in Malta, let's just say Malta, but I don't think in Europe either. What we had was like knockoffs. We had the Micro Genius, it was called a Micro Genius. But basically they were like the same thing, Famicom cartridges. Yeah, there was a Gun anime, yes, that's right, that's right. And a comic, I think, something like that. Dratini 28! You're a boss, Dratini. Keep going. Ah, Tekken Tag! Oh, okay. I think I had a version of Tag on my PSP, I think. I wish there's a way to stream out of my PSP. There's a few games I would like to stream. Actually, you know what? There's emulators. Let's keep going. Danica, you should start streaming. Danica, start streaming! Come on, Danica. Ah, okay, here we go. You should start streaming. I'd watch you. Potato stream hype. I only did one potato stream in my life, Shadow. I only did one potato stream. And that was before I got my my 2DS capture card. You see, I got the capture card, the 2DS capture card strictly for Pokemon Sun and Moon last year. But the demo got released before I received my 2DS. I'm like, how am I gonna stream? So basically I placed my phone. I streamed from my phone, capturing the screen from my phone. It was okay, it was semi-decent. But now I'm streaming obviously from my 2DS. Look. I'm streaming from my 2DS. it's not an emulation. How many times yeah, exactly. It's fun watching you lose. Alright, so. He moves down on his own. Okay, because it's very steep. There we go. What do you want, kiddo? Yeah, it's true. People love watching others struggle. It's true. People love watching others get angry and struggle with a game. There's two kinds of struggling with a game. There's struggling with a game that makes you facepalm and, you know, hurting your viewers, basically, when you're sucking so much. And then there's, like, the interesting failures. Oh, no PPs. Like this. This is gonna be a failure. This is gonna be a... no. I'll switch Pokemon. Yeah, I have capture devices. I have one for my consoles, and then I have this. This is on my capture device. This is my 2DS. I have a 2DS that I stream from it, and then I have my 3DS, my regular 3DS. When Vloggy happy makes me happy. I'm always happy. Most of the time I'm always happy. It takes a lot to make me sad or to really get to me. You know, it's true. So when I said I had a rough week last week, it wasn't really because I was down or anything like that. It was just because of busyness and work and not necessarily sad, but I just didn't like streaming. I didn't feel like streaming, basically. Alright, I'm gonna go heal again. I'm sorry it's painful, but I have to. Wow, it's so slow. Cycling upwards. Alright, we got this. Alright, bike. Well, I mean, it's fun seeing others rage sometimes as well. Like I said, there could be two kinds of struggling with the game. There could be the one that's cringy and making people facepalm, and people not wanting to watch it because of that, or it gets entertaining at one point, you know? So there's like a very fine line, I believe. Come on, I want to get to Fuchsia! ASAP! My next Pokemon is waiting. Well, no, you don't make fun of someone raging. No, you don't make fun of someone who's raging. No, you don't. It's entertaining to watch, but you don't make fun of it. If I'm watching a streamer raging, it's entertaining. It is entertaining, but you don't make fun of the streamer. Don't. That's how I feel anyway. That's me personally. Banned, and that's how people get banned. You catch them. It happened. It happened. I mean, I don't get really salty when I don't really ban people. It depends, really. It depends. If I know someone's kidding, for example, let's just say V4. V4 is a regular. V4's been on my streams for a year now, for sure. You know, so I know V4 is kidding. But if it's somebody I've never seen on my stream and is saying the exact same comments V4 would be saying, I would ban the other person probably. You know? Probably get salty. You know? Because I don't know if they're kidding or not, basically. I didn't ask about my audio quality today. How is it? My voice, the game audio, how is everything? Back in my day, I used to pause everything and go check, but too lazy. Yes, I believe so, Danica. And Danica has an accent. Danica has a very Maltese accent. So I think it would draw in viewers. I think it would draw in viewers. I think that if Danica started streaming, not that she would, but if she did start streaming, I think she would do better than me, definitely. That's what I think. Because Danica has a strong Maltese accent, I think. Do you think you have it, Danica? Do you think you have a strong Maltese accent? I was rolling on my bed. Ooh. Oh, you rolling on your bed. Oh, come on, man. Well, I can lend you my Danica. You can have my my opening line. What's up, buddies? VloggyBuddy here. Well, you can say, what's up, buddies? Danica here. I can lend you my line. You can have it. Oh, speaking of what's up, buddies? VloggyBuddy here. This is, I don't know, it's like my thing. I don't know. It's what I always say when I start my videos most of the time. And today, my boss was like, I didn't know you make YouTube videos. He watched my videos. He watches my WhatsApp buddies. Oh man, that is painful knowing that your boss watches you. Nobody can guess your nationality. Oh, come on, come on. What am I saying? Not even people could guess my accent when I went to the US. They were like, you sound kind of American, kind of Canadian, kind of German. What are you? Is he subscribed? I should have asked him to subscribe. Like, subscribe, retweet. Danica looks Polish. You see, you know why you think Danica looks Polish? Because she's lacking sun now. She's not getting enough sun. Basically, she's not getting enough sun, and that's what happens, you see? You start to lose your Maltese tan. Oh, by the way, Danica, I don't know if I told you this. Maybe I have. I don't know. Maybe I have. Sometimes I tell stuff to everyone, and I forgot who I told what. Danica, tomorrow I'm gonna pick up my GoPro. Yes! So from now on, my WhatsApp buddies videos, my unboxing videos, are gonna be in 60 frames per second. Yes! If it calls you Kasper, there you go. Italian or Russian? Yeah, Italian sounds right. Italian sounds right. You seem vloggish. What nationality are you? I'm vloggish. I should try that one day. I missed Danica when she came over last time. I think it was because of work, eh? Probably. You think you lost? You think you lost a €500 camera? Okay. You think? I wouldn't sleep if I lost that. Oh, I'm getting the 5th one, by the way. Because you know my unboxing videos, my Funko Pops videos. Those videos. Oh wow, Primate level 29. I don't think I can do this. I'm gonna try. Angelo! Welcome, Angelo! Nice to see you, buddy. How are you? So basically, I'm getting the 5th one, the GoPro 5, because the Pop and Unbox videos that I make, I record them with my iPhone. That's why the nip slip. Maybe I will. Maybe I will. 2K. I don't think I'm gonna hit 2K subs this summer. But sometime next month I'm gonna do a shot stream. Danica should be here. Danica should be here. I'm gonna do a shot stream. Resident Evil 2. Every time I get bit by a zombie, I will take a shot. Danica, you should be here for that. Sometime next week, guys. Make sure you don't miss it because it's funny. It's funny. Trying to learn Slam. Oh, nice. I think it has a critical ratio. I think it has a good critical ratio. I don't know. Rap. Thunderwave. I'm gonna remove rap. It's stupid. So next week, Resident Evil 2. Actually, let's call it Biohazard 2. Let's do I prefer Biohazard. Biohazard 2. With a face cam and the shot challenge. Whiskey shots. No, I think it's gonna be tequila. I think it's gonna be tequila V4. What do you think? Tequila or vodka? Choose. V4 is gonna choose for me. Dratini, I wish I could evolve you, but not yet. It's too soon. Oh, whoa, what's your rush? You, sir. Oh. Okay. I could belly bump you out of here? Did you read that right? Okay. Alright. Hey, you, sir. Okay. I think I handled everyone here. So, one more. Oh my, I'll be kind. Oh, in October. In October, I think the sun wears off by then. But if Cafe Del Mar is still open by then, we can go. Tequila's wonderful, so we do tequila then. We do tequila with the... I do the whole thing with the limes and the salt. I mean, of course, that's how tequila should be. So I have to get stuff ready on my desk. It's gonna be funny. It's gonna be funny. So, I want to check out Slam, because Slam is good, although it has bad accuracy. Oh, really? Let's try it. I prefer my... Ouch. I prefer my Ice Beam, actually. Let's keep going with Ice Beam. Oh, wow. If I can take down this Muck, I think we can get some serious XP. Oh, come on. V4 was right. Alright, it's gonna be Tequila. Danica and V4 decided for me. It's gonna be... Get some salty peanuts. Would GGY? I think I would have some peanuts, actually, yeah. Because I can only have protein, so... I need to find a particular day, though, when I'm not working the following day, so I'll have to choose wisely. Have to choose wisely. Hold on, what's your rush, man? Keeps going down. Oh, there's another side. Alright. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. I want to make sure I didn't miss anyone up here. Almost ready for a Mexican party. I should get some nachos. Alright, there was one here. Let's get a piñata. Monkey! It doesn't go like that. I made that up. Alright, we can do this. Ice Beam attack. You know what, beginning of the stream I said the target for the stream was to get a badge and a Pokemon. It sounded very simple, but look, it's been 45 minutes and I still haven't accomplished much. Nice. I love you, Dratini, you're so awesome. Hey, cheer! You should do one shot per 1 damage while playing Outbreak. Ouch! Stop it, cheer, because I can't get Outbreak to work. I don't know why. It's not working for me. I mean, Outbreak works, the online doesn't work anymore. And it's worrying me. Ah, no PP left. Alright, let's do this lamb. Ouch, 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 that's gonna hurt, that's gonna hurt, that's gonna hurt. Ooh. No, I'm gonna switch. How are you, cheer? I want to get Outbreak to work again. I miss Outbreak. Really aren't? I don't know. What do I know? I haven't had nachos in ages. Hello, cheat. Danica called you a cheat. I won't accept that. She called you a cheat. I'm sorry. Oh, that's nice, cheer. Nice. There we go. Ah, Nidoran, so close, but not yet. Oh, come on, how much longer? This is ridiculous! Wheezing! Well, the best autocorrect name that I get called is Cloggy. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Bye, have a great time. Alright, Nidoran. Sometime next month I'll do another giveaway, by the way. I'll do, what's it called? I'll do the Sinnoh. Is that right? Sinnoh's next. Gen 4. Gen 4 giveaway starters. The shiny ones. Ooh, paralyzed. Dennis. Because of auto character, I suppose, as well. Nice. Are we there yet? Are we there yet? Come on, man. Ha! Look at that! It's a notice. Don't throw the game. Throw Pokeballs instead. What? Never noticed that. Alright, I'll be back. Am I in Fuchsia? I think I am. In Mexico, we have these bags of toasted snacks, which are healthy peas, chickpeas, broad beans. Oh, okay. It's like a mixed nuts, kind of. We have like boxes, kind of. I'm gonna go heal, and then I'm gonna go outside again, real quick, because if I can find a way out. Can't go this way. VloggyBuddy. Called you VloggyBuddy. I don't remember that. I do not remember that. The gym is waiting for me. Alright, so I'm gonna do something real quick. Remove all this for now. Bye, Avadish. Have a great time. It's true, V4. So, what's over here? Warden's home? I love fishing. I called you something, Bubby. Really? What's inside here? Nothing. So, hold on a sec, guys. I need to check something real quick. I'm gonna take a couple of seconds, real quick. Alright, looks like that. Hold on a sec, I think something's about to happen. Oh, come on, game. It's a bite! It's a bite! Godin, 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 Godin. Hook the Godin. Nope. Time to go. I don't know why. Why would I go to the Safari Zone? Do I need something from the Safari Zone? Why should I go to the Safari? I think there's a key item in the Safari Zone, I think. I feel like I'm missing something, but if I remember correctly, I have to go. I hate the Safari Zone because there's a spot you need to get to. I don't remember. Guys, we got our next Pokemon. Oh, Surf. That's right, Cheer. Yeah, you have to get Surf from there. Yep. There we go. Our next Pokemon is here. Bobble! You know what I'm gonna do, actually? I'm gonna use the Spearow. I never used the Spearow. It's only for fly. It's a flying tool. Yeah, you need to find the teeth or something. Yeah, the old man's teeth or something. Something like that. Is that it? And he gives you Surf in return? Something like that. Alright, so, I'm scared I might faint him. Let's try. Oh, come on, man. Is he gonna faint if I try the Fury attack? I'm scared. Oh, come on. No, 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 no. Oh! Ah! Start over, you sucker. Ah, man, whatever. Let's try over. Start again. But yeah, our next Pokemon is gonna be a Poliwag. There we go. So I can't attack because he's gonna faint the moment I do an attack. And you have to find some old guy's teeth to get strength. Yeah. Oh man. Do I need strength though? Ugh. Yeah, I know V4. Pidgeot is much better. Alright, so let's try to catch him anyway, like this. Pokemon. Bag. Item. Pokeball. I have 5. Come on, let's go. Alright. Oh yeah. Alright, so, hang on, I need to update stuff. There we go! Ah! Ah! Hold on. Because this needs to work. Yeah! I got myself a Poliwag! Oh, cute. Actually, there we go. Something like that. How cute! I got a Poliwag! I'm so happy. Vlog, if you want a water Pokemon, get a Slowbro. I know Slowbro because I know Slowbro is wonderful. I know. But I want to stick with Pokemon that I like. I know that they're weaker, but I like Poliwag. I know he's a tank. I know. Maybe I'll get him in the next one, in the next game. Its newly grown legs prevent it from running. It appears to prefer swimming than trying to stand. You see my my Pokédex voice, huh? So. So now I have my new baby. Or Lapras, yeah. I think I might get Lapras. We'll see. I might get Lapras in Gen 2. We'll see. I don't know. We'll see. But I don't want to have too many water Pokemon because I'm definitely choosing Totodile. Why did I say no? Why did I say no? Alright, what I'm gonna do So I'm gonna have to go to the... I'm gonna train my my Poliwag a little bit, because there's a few trainers that I missed in the bicycle area. So I'm gonna go back there for a bit, train my Poliwag, and then I'm gonna head to... Should I do the gym first, or the Safari Zone? I don't know. It's so steep! There we go. And Starmie is good as well, but I don't like Starmie the way it looks. I don't like Starmie. I know it's boss, but... Oh, wow. Alright, so you're gonna get some... What? I didn't swap! Oh, man! Alright, just for this one... Alright, never mind. Let's go with this one first. No worries. Ah, those criticals, come on, man. Let's go Safari. Okay, so after I'm done doing this, I'm gonna go Safari Zone next. Because I need to get Surf for Poliwag anyway, so... That's a good attack. Alright, I'm gonna get some serious training, Poliwag. Wheezing! He looks hideous. Ugh. But they're gonna look very pretty in Gen 2, so that's fine. I'll be patient. I can't wait till I transfer them over. Nice, frozen. You only see what your eyes want to see. How can life be what you want it to be? You're frozen. Nice, level 12 straight away. No, I don't like Miltank. I know it's another tank, but no. I don't like Miltank. I hate Miltank. Pokemon Gold and Silver is less than a month away. I'm poisoned! You're poisoned! I can sing a song for her status condition. Uh-oh. 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 No! No! Can I pull it off? Can I pull it off with my Poliwag? Can I? Can I do this? Uh-oh. I don't think so. I don't think so. Yes, I can. So close! No, 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 no. Hang on. No, I can't. No, I can't. Sing Vogue. I don't even know what Vogue is. Vloggydonna. Alright, so. Body Slam. $35. 14. Could have, yeah, but still, I'm not gonna risk it. No. I'm gonna get some serious XP from this wheezing. Alright. Nice, come on. Come on, come on, you got this. I think Poliwag needs to learn Hydro Pump before I can evolve Poliwag, so that means... Let me just check the attacks real quick. Yeah, 45. Long way to go. Ah, you wish, Dratini, you wish. I wish to. Nidoran? Ah, no, not yet. Let's go heal. Yeah, I'm gonna put Poliwag on the front. Alright, so this one has to stay at the bottom. Switch. Now, this is the most experienced one, so it stays there. Switch with this. No! Ah! Well, anyway. Switch. I like to reorganize them, so 15, 31, 34, 35, 35, and 20, the one I don't care about. Before spamming the chat because she's the only one here. What type Pokemon I'm gonna go for next? I have no idea. I have no idea, V4. I have an empty slot. I don't know what I'm gonna go for next. I don't know. I really don't know. I'm gonna deal with this guy. Get out of here! Get out of here! You don't understand? It's a very good game, Emily. It's such a great game. Oh man, I've been playing this since I was like 14 or 15. It's so good. So, Pokemon. Hey, Toby's here! Toby's here! A Gengar would be awesome. That's true, V4. Gengar. That's it. My next Pokemon is Gengar. Mania, shut up, Emily. Shut up. I'm still 7. I forgot to switch Pokemon, I got distracted. Switch, switch, switch. Something like that. So, Pokemon, Dratini. Basically, Emily, basically, you got a world, instead of animals, you've got Pokemon, these creatures. And you can train them, get stronger. And then you can take them up for, like, I'm gonna call them competitions in the gym. So you earn badges. That's what I've got on the side of the game, you see on the screen. I got 4 so far. You challenge the gym leaders, you get 8, and then you can get to compete in the league, basically, the Elite 4. That's pretty much it. But there's a story. Turtle! Squirtle, Squirtle! Or maybe I should get a starter. V4. Should I go for a starter? I can get a starter. Well, I have to trade it from the other game. No, come on. No, come on, Firo. Don't be that guy. Don't be that guy. Come on, man. No! 4 times. Toby. 16. Nice. Learn hypnosis. Nice! Yes, switch. Look at that. He's 10 levels more than me. No. Still a baby. You're still a baby, Poliwag. No problem. Come on. 1 ice beam. Coming up. Nice. Phew, that bing bong, bing bong, bing bong drives me crazy. Nah, get Gengar. Because I was thinking of maybe getting Gengar in Gen 2. Should I get Gengar in Gen 2? I'm trying to understand your last sentence, V4. Nah, get Gengar. It's like a dream that never came through, because I didn't... Oh, yeah, I know what you mean now. Alright. Even me, my Alakazam was a dream come true when I managed to trade and get my Alakazam. That was like a dream came true. So I don't know, should I wait to get it in Gen 2 Gengar? Because I was thinking of getting it in Silver Gengar. I don't know. Because keep in mind, this team is going to carry over to the next game. So if I have... These Pokemon, I'm not going to be catching them in the next game again, you know what I mean? Over here there's Doduos in here. And Dodrios, I think, as well. And there we go. Or maybe I should get it, maybe I should get, a Geodude? Geodude. And get a Golem, because that was a dream come true as well, if I can get a Golem. Oh, come on, really drill... Oh, wow. Wow. Wow, man, the Dodger's fast. No problem. Charmander, you're up. Just use the slash. Blick, blick, blick. Bleep, bleep, bleep. In Gen 2 get to an you'd think, but I wouldn't. I would stick to the old ones anyway. Level 17. Nice. Boss. Out. I'm gonna check one more time the cycling road to see if there's one more Pokemon trainer that I missed. I think I have. All for Poliwag really, because not that I need the experience, but Poliwag needs it. And yes, this is my thing. I like to keep my Pokemon babies, unless I really have to evolve them. Unless they learn the moves, their final moves. Until then, I like to keep them babies. Because they're only babies once. Once you evolve them, you can't go back to that. So I make the most of it. Gyarados. I'm gonna get Gyarados as well. I'm gonna get the red Gyarados in Gen 2. Porygon 2, Skarmory, Miltank. Pikablue, you mean? You call him Pikablue? Meryl, you call him Pikablue. Interesting. Na 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 I want to see if there's a trainer that I missed, perhaps. There we go. There you are. I'm gonna switch off the AC. It's getting cold now. I'm gonna get some good XP out of this guy as well. Nice. Dratini. Oh, come on, really? All of them critical? Nice, come on, I got this. I think. Or not. Hoo-hoo, so close! Togekiss, alright. They're very OP Pokemon though. I think you like OP Pokemon. You like tanks. 18. Machoke! Let's go back to Poliwag again. And... should I try Hypnosis? I'm scared, no. Because this guy will trash me with one hit. No. Not to mention how much it misses, so... check out Machoke, he's derp. Like, derp! Like, check out his eyes! Derp! Ooh, sorry I called you derp. Please don't kill me. He leered with his derpy eyes. Alright, we're done here. I'm gonna go heal and then Safari Zone. Can somebody guide me in the Safari Zone? Cause, man, I know you get lost in the Safari Zone. So I have to get two things, right? And I need to do it fast. Derp choke! I know, right? So, I'm gonna go heal and somebody needs to guide me through the Safari Zone because I have no idea. You get lost and you're on a timer. Ugh. $500 steps. There we go. Ah, it's not a timer exactly then. It's a... okay. I thought it was a timer. Alright, so what's this guy doing here? You can't win. Just one strong Pokemon. It's tough, but you have to raise them evenly. Yeah, I know. That's what I'm trying. That's what I always try to do, actually. Raise them evenly. Look. 18 and 31. I'm working on these two. Then there's 34, 35, 35. You see? That's what I do. Get a map on your PC so you know where to go. You mean I need to get a map on screen so I can follow what's going on? Hold on, let me just go quickly to... Is there a Pokemon Center here? There's no Pokemon... Not Pokemon Center. Pokemon Market here? I need to buy some Repel because I don't feel like running into wild Pokemon. I'm trying to get to a place. I don't think there is. I don't think there's a Pokemon Market here. Hold on, this looks suspicious here. No? No? Okay. So there's no Pokemon Market here? I cannot buy stuff? Yeah, I know. I know, V4, yeah, that's right. I'm gonna go buy a few repels. Not from here. Whoops. So, I need to buy repel. Is it from here? And since I'm here, I'm gonna buy a few revives. And some super potions. Execute. I'm not a big fan of grass types, that's the thing. I am so picky when it comes to everything. Cars, Pokemon, women. It's true. Oh man. Fly. Let's go. Alright, so, let's go. V4, have you seen the Alolan Executor? This is not the place. Actually, you know what I should do, V4? Maybe my next Pokemon should be the prehistoric. Been looking for it. There it is. Let's go. Welcome to the Safari Zone. Can somebody guide me now? Because I have no idea where to go. I'm gonna get the map, the Safari Zone map. Hold on. That's what I'm gonna do. I think that's what V4 meant earlier. So, hold on. Pokemon Red Safari Zone map. Alright, this looks complicated, I think. We'll see. Oh, okay, alright. Wow, found a very interesting image on Reddit. This is good. Alright, now it's too big, I think. Or is it the right size? No, it's the perfect size. Perfect! Wow! Alright, I found the perfect picture. I'm gonna have the image zoomed in on screen for now, so I will not be looking at chat for the time being. Let's go. There we go. This is it. I'm following the map. I'm following the map correctly. Alright. Paris. Oh man, I threw a ball by mistake. Whoops, please don't catch. Please don't catch. Alright. Then I go down through here. Wow, this map is fantastic that I found on Reddit right now. Now keep going straight. Then go through here. Go like this. Go up. Go duo. 26, wow. Okay. Now keep going straight. Keep going straight. Alright, no problem. No problem. We got this. Whoa, a Rhyhorn. A level 26 round. Wow. I found something real quick. I found the gold teeth. $32, is that it? No, it can't be it, because... No, double team has nothing to do with it, no. Okay, we made it. Alright, so, that's done. I did it, whew. Sorry about that, took me forever, but I made it. So, Ammonite is better, I don't know which fossil I took actually. Oh, come on, you're kidding me? Alright, no problem. I don't need double team anyway. Toss. Toss! So HMO3 gives me Surf. Alright, I got Surf, but I also need Strength. Alright, you said make sure you have room for it and give it to... exactly, yes. So, item... I'm gonna give it to Poliwag. It's good, it's a good attack. So, use... There we go. I cannot serve though, eh, Pokemon? No, there we go. Man, this music is driving me crazy. Paras. Whoops. Whoops, that was an accident. That was an accident. That was an accident. That was not intentional. Bing bong! Alright, whew. That music was driving crazy. Do you get a good haul? Yes. Let's go. Alright, so we're done here. Oh, there was a Pokemon market here. Pfft, I missed it. I want to check which fossil I got actually. Pokemon... No, item. Helix. Helix is the... maybe I should go for the Ammonite. I don't know. We'll see. Let's take on the gym leader. Let's go. Oh yeah, the invisible walls. I forgot about these. Na 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 na. Hypno. Wow, level 38. Wow. That's not good. This might take a while. Whoa! My goodness, he's strong. My goodness, I don't stand a chance. Wow, the moves. Oh my goodness. This doesn't look good. I don't know what to do. I'm gonna get wrecked, yes. But come on, because he's using a Hypno as a poison type. That's why he's wrecking me. Hypno's not a poison type Pokemon. But some serious experience is gonna be given to my Poliwag. Water gun. Okay, not bad. There we go. Time to heal. The question is, will I lose against Koga? Will he defeat me? Is he gonna use another... You think I'm under-leveled? You think I'm under-leveled? I don't think I'm under-leveled. I think I'm just right. Drowsy. Again, another psychic type. Pretending to be... Come on, man. I mean, I could easily use my psychic type against his poison types, but that would make it too... meh, you know what I mean? Yes. Keep at it, keep at it. Maybe this team is a bit under-leveled and they're all babies, kind of, like, you know, but still, they're gonna be one tough team by the Elite Four. I'm gonna have a Dragonite, I'm gonna have a Nidoking, a Charizard. Nah, I'm confident. Uh-oh. Oh, come on, man. Freeze! Freeze, sucker! Come on. Ooh! How many Drowsies do you have? Okay. Oh, come on, man, you missed! He keeps withdrawing Pokemon. Come on, man. Oh, no! No! Ah, so close. Yeah, Thunder Wave is useful as well. I'm gonna keep going with the slashes now. Come on, Charmander, Flamethrower! Flamethrower! Look, he's using Kadabra and a Poison type gym. What's wrong with you? Recover. Ooh, nice! Pizza! Oh, pizza! Have a pizza! I miss pizza! Enjoy, Danica, enjoy! When you eat pizza, think of those who cannot have pizza. I'll have pizza next month. 35. Come on, Flamethrower? No. When? Again, I keep forgetting. From stream to stream, I forget. When does he learn Flamethrower? Oh, so close! 3 levels away. Oh, so close. I'm happy. I'm happy now. Oh, man. Is it gonna happen in this stream? Is it gonna happen in this stream? I'm gonna go heal. Why aren't you using super potions? Because super potions are for noobs. Because super potions are for noobs. No need. I could have used the super potion, actually. Let's go. How am I doing with levels? Let me take a look. Pokemon 19, 31, 35, 35, 35. We're good. Okay, we're good. Can you imagine if I hit level 38 in this gym? Oh man. Alright, I'm gonna switch. And I'm gonna use Alakazam, I don't care. Oh, look at something! Yes, that's how you train your Pokemon. That's how you tough love. Psybeam. $20. Good. Oh, I wish I could use Poliwag! But it's still too soon. What if I give him one attack? Just the one. Just the one. Just the one. Come on, just the one. That doesn't look like Surf. That looks like Rain and the Fountain. Oh, critical! That's not bad. I still think it's better than Water Gun though, no? Ice Beam. Oh, come on! Alright, Charmander. Nice. Training my Pokemon all day long. Training my Pokemon while I sing this song. Pokemon Alakazam! $21. When are the shirts happening? Oh my goodness, Emily. Man, it's on my top, on my top of my list, on my to-do list. It's on the top. I got the designs ready. I just need to dedicate an hour or two to start making them. I kid you not. I got the designs. I just need to find some. I paid some guy to design an awesome t-shirt for me, man, and it was the crappiest shirt. I'm like, dude, what is this? I could have done this myself, googled up some images and put them on the shirt. And then he was asking for a review to give him 5 stars. Are you kidding me, man? Are you kidding me? Just go away. Go away. But yeah, I got the designs now. I know, Emily. I want the t-shirts. I want them. T-shirt season's gonna be over, and I'm gonna hate myself if I don't do them before the t-shirt season is over. Alright, so I'm gonna heal up. Because I don't feel like walking. Stop right there! Our invisible walls have you frustrated? No, not really, I can see everything. There was a time when I couldn't see them, huh? Slash. Pokemon. Dratini, come on. That's not good. Ouch. Oh, come on! Ah, that's cheap. Don't poison, and you poison. Ouch. Ouch. No! Wow. Ouch. I'm gonna recover. Alright, one last trainer, I think. So, item. Let's just revive a few more. Ah, okay, he's not fainted. Should be okay. And that's Cog over there, right? I think so. Don't critical me, don't critical. Okay. Slash. I don't think I can pull this off. Let's use Dratini just in case. If he freezes, it will be fantastic. Ouch. Ah. Oh, what? How did that happen? Come on. Alright, that's good. I want the XP to go to Charmander actually, so... Still good. So this is Koga, yes? Yes, alright, so I'm gonna go heal, and we'll see if he's gonna kick my butt. I'm trying to think where to go from here now. I think Cinnabar Island, yes? No. There's still Sabrina's gym. I don't even know where that is. We'll check the map. Alright, here we go. I challenge you! A mere child like you dares to challenge me? Very well. I shall show you true terror as a ninja master. You shall feel the despair of poison and sleep techniques. Give me my next badge. Coughing. 37. No. Let's switch again. Poliwag needs all the experience. Mark. You should have a Venonat, no? He became an ant or a fly. How cool, it says disabled. Oh, seriously? Alakazam my hero for this gym. Oh, I went for disable by mistake. Whoops. I thought I disabled it. What's going on? There's no Venonat. I thought he has a Venonat or a Venomoth. I forgot. Oh! All the experience is going for... Nice! That's going... all of it going to Poliwag. That's fantastic. Nice. There we go! Woohoo! And I've got another gym badge. Let's put it on the screen. Hang on. That's the soul badge. Boom! There we go. Oh, come on, make space for this child. Alright, item. I'll throw something away. I don't need these anymore, do I? No, I think I do. I'm gonna... Oh, hold on! The gold teeth, I give them to that guy. Alright, hold on. There we go. There's some guy that needs to get the gold teeth, I think. What is this? Oh, toxic! Ah, toxic is a good move. Hey, Carl! You sound cute, Kami. Oh, man. Oh, Carl. What am I gonna do with you? So I'm gonna find somebody to give the golden teeth. I need to give the teeth to somebody for sure. Yeah, I know. What are you doing on his account? What are you doing on his account? That's not good. I don't like it. Alright, so I need to find some guy. I'm gonna put on the bike real quick. So... bike. There it is. I need to find some guy. I need to find some guy that can't speak properly. Is it this guy? What did she say? Hold on. Safari Zone's warden is old, but still active. All his teeth are foes, though. He's my grandson. Okay. I need to find him. Hold on. I don't have the patience to walk slowly around here. Is it this guy? Safari Zone Warden, yes! Is it him? Yes. Vloggy gave the gold teeth to the warden. There we go. The warden popped his in his teeth. Thanks, kid. No one could understand a word that I said. I couldn't work that way. Let me give you something for your trouble. H04. Okay, now. Pokemon. I think Paras learns... I think Paras learns strength, so I can use him as a strength man. Deposit, and we're gonna deposit Spearow for now. I'll come back for you though. I have to come back for you. Withdraw. Let's see Paras. Not able. Ah, man. I can't. You're useless, Paras. Go away. I'm gonna deposit a bunch of stuff though. Vloggy's PC. I don't need this. I don't need this. Actually, no. I think I might need it. I think there's another sleeping Pokemon here. I'll come back for it. I won't be needing the goods rod. Let's see where I need to go next. Pokemon. Fly. Pallet Town. Viridian. Pewter. Viridian. Pallet. Saffron. I think I need to go to Saffron City. I think this is where I need to go. Yeah, this is it. No, this is not it. I'm looking for the next gym leader, John. Oh, this is it. Why is he blocking the way, though? Get out of the way. What do I do? Where do I go? This is not the right gym. Why is he blocking the gym here? What do I do? No. Fight Team Rocket at Silphco. I did fight them, yeah. I fought them at Silphco. I did, right? Yes, I did, and I got the... In fact, I got the Sylph Scope and everything. It's not here on me, though. Oh, wait a minute. This is something else. This is something else. I haven't been here, no. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Something's not right in here. Uh-huh, okay. This is what I'm doing next then, okay. Look at the slimy tongue. Oh man. So, Pokemon. So this is my next step. Oh, come on, seriously? Ooh, look at that! No, please don't hurt yourself. Oh, come on! Double slap, that's good. Instead of bubble, I suppose. Yeah. I want to see if I can pull something off. Ah! Try again, try again. Oh, come on, that's cheap. I'm gonna keep going with Charmander now. $36, 2 more levels and I evolve him. Yes! 2 more levels. No Poliwag, no Poliwag, no, no, no. Too soon, too soon. Alright, so I'm gonna stop here. I'm gonna call it. I'm gonna end this stream here. I need to eat something before I go to work, so yeah. I'm gonna go heal, and that's what we're gonna do next time. We're gonna take on the Team Rocket, we're gonna take on those 2 gyms, and I have a feeling we're going... Because they learn the moves faster, John. When you leave them at a young... When they're still babies, they learn the moves faster. So yeah, I'm gonna call it here. And I'm gonna continue tomorrow, same time tomorrow. So that's what I'm gonna do next. Tomorrow, take on the Team Rocket, do some serious training with the Team Rocket, and we're gonna take on those 2 gyms. The fighting thing, the fake gym, and the Sabrina gym. And I have a feeling we're gonna evolve a Pokemon tomorrow as well, so yeah, I'm gonna save. Thanks to everyone that hung out with me. You are awesome, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye!